All right, everyone, Ryan Muetzel here again. This is going to be our part 3 of our Glow Threads unboxing videos. So I have a feeling these are going to be the shirts. Let's take a look and see. Cool Kong tank. And looks like we got a bunch of these laser pens too, which are really cool. Player shirt. And anytime you order a shirt, you do get one of these keychains along with the laser on top of it too. I know the laser that I was sent with the battery the opposite way, just because it'll drain the battery if you just leave it in. So I think if I flip these puppies around, let's see, this is gonna go like that and like that. Let's see if that works. There we go. You can see here, laser. And this is what you use to write on the shirts. When it gets darker, you can see some of my other unboxing videos. You can see how that does. And see how it leaves that mark right there. It doesn't last that long now because it's pretty bright. I need to keep the light on here for the camera so you can actually see me, but in the dark, that'll last a lot longer. So here you can see this is a blank one. If anyone out there wants to do custom t-shirts, Glow Threads can do custom shirts, so feel free to contact me if you're interested in doing that, and I will be sure to let them know. It's a cool design. You can see a whole lot of different color scheme possibilities, a lot of different styles, whether it's the tank tops, the crew cuts, the V-necks. Whole lot of different sizes too. Anyone wants, you know, extra small, small, medium, large. Here's an extra large right here, so pretty much definitely gonna be big for me, but nice to have a variety of sizes available. So you can see any of the prints can be done in the t-shirt form or the tank top. It's kind of you know, there's the t-shirt, and then you got the tank top. A lot of different styles. So yeah, definitely any like fraternities out there, sororities, you know, if you're doing any music festivals, you can customize any of this stuff specifically for whatever you want to do. Alrighty, well that looks like everything that I have for now. So yeah, stay tuned, check out my other videos, more glow threads excitement coming through, along with all the other fun stuff I'm involved in. So thank you all for watching, have a wonderful night.